Hello, I'm Deborah Hardy, Dean of Health Technologies, Associate Provost for Teaching and Learning, and Dean of Faculty. Northeast Ohio is well known as a hub for world-class medical accommodations and research amenities. People travel to this region from all over the globe to gain access to a premier level of healthcare and groundbreaking innovations in medical science. Lakeland Community College serves an integral role in providing the essential manpower hospitals, facilities, and clinics need. We provide a host of degree programs and certificates. For direct patient care like nurses, occupational therapy assistants, surgical technologists, respiratory therapists, emergency medical, and medical assistant, just to name a few, to the vital support provided by professionals in biotechnology science, histotechnology, medical laboratory technology, and medical records. Our students serve in healthcare teams throughout the region. Lakeland's health technology students gain an outstanding education with a wealth of practical, hands-on training. Our faculty have decades of experience and are recognized as leaders in their chosen fields. The new health technology building provides state-of-the-art laboratories, medical theaters, and simulation equipment to ensure our students have the expertise they need to succeed in today's healthcare environment. And in the fields that require specialized testing and licensure to practice, Lakeland has nearly 94% pass rate and is well known for graduating knowledgeable and accomplished students. If you're thinking of embarking on a journey to a healthcare career, consider Lakeland. We not only provide exceptional training, but our first-class reputation has led to extraordinary opportunities such as a special scholarship backed by Medical Mutual and Lake Health. Our community knows that Lakeland is a valuable asset for healthcare education.